Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's recreate this beauty together. We'll be using two different colors of extension, as you can see in the video. Just be creative with your colors. You can use one or two, or you can do three. Your choice. Just be creative. You can use this method to achieve the curls. On getting to the end, get a bowl, place your comb inside the bowl, add a little bit of air conditioner and hot water. Soak for a bit, then set aside for later use. For the Bantu knot style, first you part your hair into sections depending on how many knots you want. You can use thread or rubber bands to hold each section in place. Then take your spoke and pass the extension under it. Weave to your desired length. Then finally twist the extension with your both end, just the way I'm doing it, just the way I'm twisting it in the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more hair tutorials. Thank you, happy styling, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hair tutorial. Happy styling, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you.